President Muhammadu Buhari don follow Yakubu Dogara do meeting for State House Abuja. President Muhammadu Buhari don grant audience to the former Speaker of House of Representatives, Yakubu Dogara, wey recently decamp back to APC from PDP. The chairman caretaker and extraordinary convention committee, wey na him still be the governor of Yobe State, Governor Mai Mala Buni, na follow am come State House. Governor Buni follow tori pipo talk after the meeting wey last for about 30 minutes.
Well, they shouldn't be surprised because the former speaker is a member of APC. He is because the reason for which he left the APC is no more there. No, he welcomed him. He's happy with the development. That's what he's looking for. Yeah, we are rebuilding the party, and these are the steps we are taking towards rebuilding the party. Well, we are meeting all our aggrieved members, particularly who have interest in coming back to the party. They should feel free to do so. We will do justice to all our members, and that's what will bring peace. That is what will guarantee peaceful coexistence. That is what will guarantee the consolidation of the party, the rebuilding of the party. Without doing justice, you cannot achieve that. And we are sure of doing justice to all manner of our members. Well, of course, not only 2023 strategy. This party, we are rebuilding the party to outlive all of us. It's not about a specific time or period. It's not about election. It's not about electioneering. It is about building a party.
Yakubu Dogara talk say him go follow them talk when the time reach.
I said I will talk. I have my mouth now. I will talk at the appropriate time.
Make una sabi say Yakubu Dogara first be Speaker of the 8th Assembly and a member of the 9th Assembly. Him dey represent Bogoro Das, Tafawa Balewa Federal Constituency for Bauchi State, where him win for PDP. This na the ogbonge informate wey bring come for una on top with tori for today, as President Buhari don follow Yakubu Dogara do meeting for State House Abuja. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na him carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayende.